There's something out here. Sound is the most powerful tool in horror because you don't need to see the monster to feel it. Footsteps coming closer, yet there's nobody there. That sound has no right to exist, and yet, there it is. The wrong sound in the wrong place is unbearable. Silence, by the way, is also sound. Silence is tension. Silence is anticipation. Silence is the moment before something chooses you. Don't show the monster. Let them hear it. Fear is heard long before it's seen. Hello? Control the sound and you control the scream. Farewell.